Hello, my name is Apurva Singh and I interned at Google India for the summer of 2020 in the Google Marketing Solutions team. My role pertained to digital marketing wherein I had to handle some advertiser accounts and then create an opportunity size for them, map the entire market and then basically create a pitch deck as to how to go about advertising them on Google platforms like Google Search, Video and Display. Alright, so before applying to any organization for the SIP, I usually used to look at the role related fitness, if I was able to fit in that role, and the brand name also, and what are the roles and responsibilities and whether they'll add to my profile or not. I actually looked back at my CV, what were my pointers, and then I also looked back at the job description of the role, and then I matched the two, and I also looked at my aspirations where I wanted to be, and that's about it. So my regular day at work started at 9 a.m. in the morning, wherein I used to attend all the team meetings. And even if it did not concern me directly, I used to attend all these meetings to basically get a whim of what is happening in the team and how Google functions on the whole. Apart from that, there used to be some mandatory trainings and some optional trainings which every intern was supposed to attend. I used to do that. I used to connect with all the trainers. We used to have some intern activity during the day, during the afternoon or the evening. And every 2 days, I used to connect with my co-host or my buddy to basically give them an update of what I was doing. The rest of the time used to span out in researching, collating data, and running a lot of analysis, talking to a lot of people, and preparing my project report, and finally taking some things out of my to-do list. I think the difference that I made compared to all the fellow interns in Google India was I planned my internship well ahead in time. So the very first week of my internship, I prepared a Gantt chart and a timeline and a project charter, got it approved from my mentor and my buddy, and then went ahead through it. So what happens that 8 weeks, especially in a virtual mode, it passes on very quickly. So you want to make sure that you want to make the best of the time, and also the last few weeks are reserved for presentations and goodbyes. So that is how I managed to basically manage my time really well and then fit everything inside, which is why I happen to stand out compared to my fellow interns. So the SIP actually starts in April or May, but the preparation should start way before the actual SIP. This is how you can stand out compared to all the fellow interns like I talked about. So way before the SIP, read the job description and find out what are the tangible skills that might be required, any certifications, any reading material, any research that you might have to do. You can also connect with other interns or any other PPO holders or people might be working in the company that are your alums, and then talk to them about how they prepared. Also talk to your seniors about how they prepared for their internships. More often than not, there might be a lot of skills and there might be a lot of boxes that you might not be able to tick, but it's fine. As long as you cover maximum of the bases, it's totally cool. So as I mentioned, one tangible skill would be planning ahead of time and then preparing a Gantt chart, a timeline, and then abiding by it. Another skill that helped really in the duration of the internship for me was networking. So I used to connect with everybody in my team, used to connect with other interns, used to connect with previous year interns, used to connect with people who were working on similar projects but in different geographies. I also used to attend a lot of seminars, which I was not mandatorily expected to attend. But then this one thing that I found out is that if you do individual research, you will learn way more if you connect with people and actually talk to them about their experiences. So this is something that really helped me out.